Washington, D.C. More electric vehicles, including SUVs built by Tesla, Ford, and General Motors, can now qualify for tax credits of up to $7,500 under updated vehicle categorization rules, the Treasury Department announced on Friday. Following lobbying by automakers, who urged the Biden administration to alter vehicle criteria to permit more expensive vehicles to qualify, the amended standards for EV tax credits were implemented. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, met last week with senior advisors to President Joe Biden to talk about the EV market and the bigger picture of electrification. Ford and the market leader Tesla both announced price reductions on some EVs recently, in part to be eligible for the new federal tax credit and increase consumer interest. The Inflation Reduction Act, which Congress passed in August with just Democratic votes, included a number of amendments, including the EV tax credits. The law aims to increase EV sales as part of a larger initiative to reduce emissions of the greenhouse gases that cause global warming, but it's unclear whether customers will be able to take advantage of the entire $7,500 credit due to a confusing web of criteria, including where batteries and vehicles must be produced to qualify. The adjustment will allow crossover vehicles that share similar features to be treated consistently, according to Treasury, and it will also bring clean vehicle credit vehicle classifications in line with those shown on vehicle labels and the consumer-facing website fueleconomy.gov. The ruling increases the maximum retail price for tax credits for the GM Cadillac Lyriq, Tesla Model Y with 5 seats, Volkswagen ID.4, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Escape plug-in hybrids to $80,000. For the Lyriq, which starts at roughly $63,000, GM has publicly requested Treasury to re-evaluate its classification in order for it to be eligible for federal tax credits. Podesta is Biden's go-to person for executing the climate bill, while Landrieu is in charge of overseeing federal expenditure on infrastructure, which includes financial support for the EV business. Last week, Jean-Pierre stated, "I think it's crucial that his staff, top members of his team, had a meeting with Elon Musk." The updated Treasury regulations were praised by John Botzella, President and CEO of Alliance for Automotive Innovation, a significant industry organization. Botzella called the ruling a really solid judgment that clears up some EV tax credit misunderstanding and immediately assists customers buying now and tomorrow for an electric crossover or SUV. Although he claimed that environmental organizations are depending on the Biden administration to reject automotive requests to classify crossover SUVs as light-duty vehicles, a move that would permit the industry to exacerbate air pollution by creating more gas-guzzling pickups and SUVs, he added. Thank you for listening and don't forget to subscribe.